So you just bought an awesome airsoft electric gun, and the first thing you think about is not going out and playing airsoft, is how can I chop this up and make it even better? Slex Wild's here to tell you the top 3 things you can do to your airsoft AEG. So the number 3 thing Slex Wild recommends is replacing your motor. Now motors are challenging and there's a lot of speculation of what is the best motor. Well, I'm here to tell you there's 2 things to look for. Are you looking for high torque, really crisp trigger response, or really fast speed? If you're looking for a real crisp trigger response, DMR platform, or just really want fast trigger pulls, you're gonna wanna go with a lower K motor, like this 18K here. Now, if you want really fast rate of fire, then you're gonna go with a higher K motor, like 35 to 45K. And if you want an overall motor that sits right in the middle, a 30K motor is that motor for you. The second thing Slex Wild recommends is changing out your barrel assembly. And you're asking yourself, I want to rip my gearbox apart. Why are you talking to me about a barrel assembly? Well, this Rocket Labs barrel assembly will help you shoot your BBs straighter and with tighter groupings. The stock barrel assemblies and stock hop-up units in most AEGs can be improved from the factory, and it is the best bang for your buck. And the number 1 upgrade Slex Wild recommends is replacing your trigger unit with this optical sensor trigger unit from Gate Titan. You can get a Gate Titan Aster, a Gate Titan Basic, or a Gate Titan Advanced like you see here. And it allows you to do some awesome things with your airsoft replica. Number 1, it gives you faster trigger response. Number 2, it allows you to have a higher rate of fire. Number 3, it gives you on-time real diagnostics. You can diagnose any component of your airsoft AEG. And number 4, it's Slex Wild's number 1 pick. Whether you choose one or all 3 of these awesome upgrades, you're gonna have a better shooting, more awesome, more Gucci, more firepowery airsoft AEG. You can find all these products at MiRTactical.com. Shop now!